starts in this question, and on comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, we have to find the ratio first. Then on comparing the ratio, we have to tell whether these pair of linear equations are intersecting at a point, or are these lines are parallel, or these lines are coincident. So on comparing the ratio, we will solve these questions. Firstly, come to this ratio which we have done in our table. A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. If A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, from here if we are getting this type of comparison, then there will be intersecting lines, or lines will intersect at one point. Now in second case, if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, means all ratios are equal, then lines are coincident lines, means the lines will overlap each other, then these lines are called coincident lines. In third part, if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2, then lines will be parallel. So depending on these results, we will tell that lines are parallel, coincident, or intersecting, coincident or parallel lines. So let's start our first part. What we will do, we will compare these two equations with our standard equations. So comparing with A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0 and A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. Yes, dear students, these are our standard form of pair of linear equations. Now we will compare our given equations with these two standard equations, and from here we will get the value of A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2 and C2. Now firstly compare our first equation with it. What we will get? A1 is equal to 5. As A1 is the coefficient of x, and in this equation, what is the coefficient of x? 5. So A1 is equal to 5. Now B1 will equal to minus 4. C1 is equal to 8. Now second equation, A2 is equal to 7. B2 is equal to 6. C2 is equal to minus 9. Dear students, this is our standard form of equation. If constant term is in the right hand side of equal to, अगर हमारी constant term इस side है, right hand side है, then we will bring this right hand constant term to our left hand side. Firstly, we will reduce our equations in this form. Firstly, हम क्या करेंगे? अपनी equations को इस form में reduce करेंगे. We will find ratio, that is A1 by A2. A1 by A2 is 5 by 7. This is in simple form. Now B1 by B2 minus 4 by 6. So from here we will get minus 2 by 3. C1 by C2 8 by minus 9. When we are comparing these first two ratios, because A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, because these ratio is different, so it is our first case. It means lines will, so what we will write, linear equations will intersect a point. So in first case we are getting intersecting lines. These lines are intersecting at one point. Similarly, second part. Comparing with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. What we will get? a1 is equal to 9. From here a1 is equal to 9. b1 is equal to 3 and c1 is equal to 12 and a2 is equal to 18, b2 is equal to 6, c2 is equal to 24. From here what we get? We get the value of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Now we will find the ratio, that is a1 by a2, and a1 by a2 is 9 by 18, means 1 by 2. Now b1 by b2, b1 by b2 3 by 6 means 1 by 2. Now c1 by c2, c1 by c2 12 upon 24, again we are getting 1 by 2. From here what we are getting? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. This is our second case. So what we will write in answer? Linear equations are, or pair of linear equations are coincident lines. Coincident lines. Here what we are getting? These pair of linear equations are coincident lines, means they will overlap each other. When you draw their graph, you will get the overlapping lines. Now its third part. Similarly, we will do in this part comparing with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. From here a1 is equal to 6. What is a1? a1 is equal to 6. b1 is equal to -3, as -3 is the coefficient of y, and c1 is equal to 10. Dear students, here plus sign is there, so when we compare we will get b1 is equal to -3. अगर यहाँ +3 है, then we will get b1 is equal to 3. But in equation what is given? -3. So value of b1 will be -3. Now a2 is equal to 2. b2 is equal to -1. Nothing is written here, so it is understood that it is -1. Because minus sign is there and value will be 1, so we will get b2 is equal to -1. Now c2 is equal to 9. c2 is equal to 9. Again we will find ratio. a1 by a2 means 6 by 2. So a1 by a2 is equal to 3. Now we will find the ratio of b1 and b2. b1 by b2 is equal to -3 by -1, minus cancel out. b1 by b2 is equal to 3. Now we will find c1 by c2. c1 by c2 10 by 9. So from here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2, because a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, not equal to c1 by c2. This result comes from this comparison. Now if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, not equal to c1 by c2, so then which type of lines we will get? We will get parallel lines. So here pair of linear equations will be parallel. of x in both the equations, and b1 by b2 are the coefficients of y in both the equations. c1 and c2 are the constant terms in both the equations. So what we are doing, we are finding this ratio, and on comparing we are getting three results. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then we are getting intersecting lines. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then we are getting coincident lines. If a1 by a2 is equal to, we are getting a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then we are getting parallel lines. This is our question number 2 of exercise